welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again for another video. As you can see, I have a fuck ton of fucking BRED ones in here. You know, different years, different flow, different material, different color, well, different shades of red, basically. So, grab yourself a fucking doobie, or something to drink, or something to eat if you guys like to do that shit. Sit back, relax, and yeah, here's another episode of Cushion Swoosh. So before I get right into these sneakers that are in front of me and talk about it, let me just dive into the history of these shoes, why there's so much hype around them. You know, the pair that I have here, the colorway, most notably known as the band ones, was actually not the pair that was banned from the NBA. It was actually a Nike Air Ship. The colorway of the Nike Air Ship, I'll post it up right here for you guys, is a predominantly black color. And these were the shoes that Michael wore during the 1984 season, and that's when NBA Commissioner David Stern decided to ban the shoe because there's not enough white in them. So fast forward to 1985, the sneaker released, and Jordan was seen wearing this colorway during the All-Star game, which you could see him rocking here, post it right here. I'll post a picture right here. You can see him rocking a gold chain and doing the cradle with these shoes. So yes, he did wear these in the NBA, but not entirely during the actual game. He wore them during the All-Star game, yes. Moving forward, back in the day, the retail price for these were $65, I believe. And the hype around them was so big that they made so many pairs that it ended up being on sale, hitting the sale racks for like 19 bucks or some shit. That's how these pairs actually became one of the pairs for skateboarders to wear, because they were cheap and they had good ankle support and shit, and the leather that they used back then was great. Sadly enough, I don't have a pair of the original pair in 1985 here. I'm working on that, guys. I'm working on that, so hit that subscribe button and give me a like button, please. And let me know if you guys want me to grab that 1985 and do a comparison, hopefully, in the future. Moving on from that little history lesson for you guys for the Jordan 1s. We have the first two retros here that release. I have the 1995 over here on my left and the 2001 here on my right. When these released, both of these retailed at $80 each when the first time it released back in 95 and then back in 2001. Just like their the original Jordan 1s, these didn't do so well. These hit the sale rack for like 20 bucks again. And yeah, man, people that wanted them, they could have had them back then. So in terms of the boxes, this is the box for the 1995. I said in 1995. I'll keep saying in 1995 because these came out in 1995. Those of you guys that know how to read the tongue tag properly, the tongue tag says 94, 09, and 11. And yeah, the first retro released in 1994, which is the Jordan 3s, not the Jordan 1s. It followed by the Jordan 1s and the Jordan 2s. So, getting into the accessory that it came with. This is one of them right here. This is the retro card, the big ass retro card that came with it. The first retro for Jordan's when he first retired and played baseball. I don't know what happened then. That's the 1995. This is the 2001. It came out in August 25th, 2001, I believe. Like if you look at the tongue tag inside, it'll say 2743 out of 38,345. So if we're talking about limited edition, the 2001s were fairly limited, you know. Same with the Royals, you know, they came out like 50,000, I think. Comes with that hang tag, you know. Fuck yeah, that's fucking crazy. And just like the first retro, it comes with a smaller retro card. You know, not an oversized one like this one. Look at it, it's so small. All right, so moving on. In 2008, I believe there was a Jordan 1 high strap that came out, and Jordan 1 high strap came out in November, sometime in November 22, 2008. Post a picture right here. It has a strap right along it. It looks like a Vandal strap. This retailed for like $110. The third rendition to the BRED ones was in 2008, which with the BRED 1 strapped highs. So that retailed for $110. That one didn't do so well too, but so. And then we have the Jordan Flat Lows that came out in 2008 as well. Yes, I still have my pair. It has a fat tongue to it, and yeah, the jump fan on it. In 2009, we were given the package, like the DMP package, the 60 point with the Celtics Jordan 1s included in it. These were pretty cool. I never picked up any packs actually, because I had like every Jordan that I wanted, and every colorway that I wanted by themselves. I didn't need the pack. So the TMP package came out in 2009. I think it released in July 11, 2009. Yeah, and it retailed for like $225. And those are reselling for about $500 to $700 right now. The market for Jordan 1s has just been rising and rising like crazy. And I don't blame them, right? Like, if everybody wants them, why not? Right? Charge up the ass if they wanted to. But all right, so moving on. I have a pair from 2010. I guess after the 2010, this is a different rendition of the BRED 1s, I guess. So you guys said say. This is the Air Jordan 1s Retro KO highs. Comes to the black Jordan box. 2010, guys. This is one of my favorite go-to sneakers. Beaters. But this is the KOs, most notably because look at the sole. I'll get into the newer KOs later on, but this is the 2010 with the Jordan 1 sole to it. Now I'm gonna get into a little bit something that most of you guys, most of the newer, I guess, sneakerheads, and yeah, no offense to all the new heads out there, all right? I'm just being me, you know, trolling, because you know, I see a lot of Yeezy fanatics back in the day saying Yeezy just jumped over Jumpman, and now they're wearing nothing but Jordan 1s. For those of you guys that, if you guys weren't around back then, these were actually released at the outlets only. I believe it was in June, May or June 2nd. I can't remember, man, but maybe around June 2nd, May or June 2011 something. And these retail for $100, released at the outlets only. And it was marked as B grade basically because, like they said, these were banned in the NBA's, that whole storyline bullshit, you know. So they're reselling for like anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000. Yeah, quite a lot, man. It's like more than the 95s. Moving on to that, we're gonna get into a little bit newer releases for you guys you guys would know. I guess I do have two pairs. Oh, this slight flex. Worn pair of 2013. You guys don't need to see that. But this is the 2013 pair. This is a little bit shorter in terms of the height. If you want to go side by side with them. Now we have the low tops of the BRED ones. So unlike the ones that I've shown you guys earlier, these guys, the fat lows, unlike these ones, these are a little bit different, a little bit nicer, slicker, you know. Focus some of the new 2015 releases. A little bit about this pair earlier, which is the KOs. I'm gonna leave that one here. Now I'm gonna give you guys another pair of KOs that released in 2015. So this is 2015 KO, HAKO. Let's see that vandal sole right there. Now this is the 2000. Now this is the 2010. See the outline of KO right there, the wings logo, and then the difference on this is all blacked out. (2010), 2015. 2010 has a little bit slicker look to it in terms of what it looks like. Look. And moving on to one of the newer releases of it, which is the band ones. Just like the 2013, it comes with the black and red box. Nothing new. So this is the 2016. It comes with two laces. So the one way to tell if your pair is real or fake, everybody that has a real pair of these will know that it started glittering. There's literally glitters on there. So this is the 2016 pair, side by side with the 2013. Yes, this pair is a little bit higher. Okay. 2016 on the left, and then 2013 is on the right. 95s, 2001s, and then we have the 2011s. You know? So that is the full BRED 1 collection that I have, minus this band ones, which thank you, Gavin, for reminding me that I don't have that pair in my collection. I'm gonna need this soon. But yeah, this is, I think I have 9 BRED 1s in my collection. God damn. Right. Definitely happy to have all of these though. Anyways, guys, thank you for checking out another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, because it took me a while. Not really a while, but till next time, guys. Peace. Favorite one out of the bunch would be my 9095. Really happy that I'm able to acquire this in the collection. My second favorite pair is my 2001 pair because, well, look at that bling. You know. Till next time, guys. Peace.